My name is Alicia, I'm 27 years old and I live on the beautiful coastline of South Africa. I'm a certified TEFL teacher with over 2 years experience. I have taught over 2,000 online classes. I have helped students grow confidently in grammar, reading, pronunciation and conversational English. The benefits of being young and having younger siblings makes it easy for me to communicate and relate to the needs of my students. Being a part of the generation of social media means I'm updated with the latest trends. It allows me to be creative and create courseware that will not just interest but teach my students simultaneously. I hope you will allow me to help you grow confidently in English.